already. The beach is my other half of energy. This is where I get my little vibe from. I'm just vibing. Whenever I'm at the beach, I'm vibing. When I'm in my yard, in my room, I'm not. Alright, so guys, me go around now to the beach. This time I didn't get any taxi to take me down there, so I'm walking past this mango tree and not one ripe mango. I'm so sad. I don't like that for me. Those two young men complimented me. They said that my hair looks beautiful. Wow. I love that for me. It's just Afrocentric hairstyles always. Look at the beauty. We have a breadfruit tree over there, so breadfruit tree. Mango tree over there, so mango tree. Banana trees over there, so banana tree. There's a banana. Where else? Soursop tree. We have apple tree over here. Not one ripe mango. I don't like that for my. I don't have anybody to beg mango because the mangoes are not ripe. There are people. I have like 3 to 5 minutes walk. No, 3 to 5 minutes walk. But they're right down there where the car is. That's where the beach is at. Let me see if nobody have no bun. No shop you have no bun. Hello, serve. So I buy one bun of water as usual. And full up. I may never get the bun when we eat or like or love. I get the bun that I like. What is that bun? What is this bun? What is this bun? But my hand full up. We're almost there, people. We're almost there. I can't even wait to reach because I'm so excited to unwrap my gifting. The excitement just chipping, people. Boy. By the way, look on mango tree, look on soursop tree, look on goating, look on every tree, people. Every tree is treeing right now. The mango tree they load up, but then don't ripe. Oh God, they're not ripe up. And there's go people, ackee tree, star fruit tree, more mango tree over there. So people, my parish is very fruitful. For those of you in foreign, whenever you're coming to Jamaica, just stop by St. Thomas, okay? Stop by, please. Alright guys, so we are at the beach. Normally public persons should walk to that direction, but because I'm a celebrity, I just walk through the aisle. I'm telling, because everybody knows me and everybody loves me. I joke, some people know me, but let me show you guys a little view. That's the look at the mountain. If I walk the other way, that's where I would end up, way around the hotel. But girl, I don't like walking for my. So guys, I'm walking towards my. Ooh, look at the water. Look at the ocean kissing me. But guys, I'm walking towards my tree. That's my tree. It's just my tree treeing. So yeah, we're gonna just get ready, change, and let's get unboxing. Woo! Get kissed by the water again. So this is my tree, people. This is my tree. Yeah, my ancestors planted that tree for me. And you know, when I see people at my tree, oh, I get upset, I get mad, I get crazy. Joke, yeah. I joke, but that's my favorite tree. This is sit down and chill, you know. I just love the tree. I love other trees around here, you know, but that one here is the one you're in, yeah. People, fishermen are watching me. So I'm going to unwrap my gift from Done Creatives. I'm done creativing. Yeah, I'm done what? Watch nice body. Watch body good. Watch melanin. Watch nice breasts. Watch nice arms. Hold on. Wow! So guys, I just removed the first layer. I'm gonna crush it up and push it in my pocket because don't litter the beach. The beach is my best friend. And sometimes it hurts me to come here and say it's nasty. Alright, so it's in my pocket. I'm so nervous. I get gifted. We get gifting, people. We get gifting. Hold on, I should I take a no. I'm gonna take a thumbnail picture when we unwrap it. Yeah. A little surprisey. Here is our logo right there. Done Creatives. First of all, I just want to say thank you so much, Done Creative. This met me April, and the 2nd of April I get gift already. I love that for my. I saw life figure. Watch my nice body. Watch hog, watch elephant, watch cow. I don't know how to behave when I'm there seaside, you know. I don't know how to behave when I'm there seaside. My reaction is on TikTok, okay? So if y'all want to see my first raw blind reaction, go on my TikTok at iFEEliREE and y'all will see it. But here it is. Hold on. Wait a minute. It's a chopper. Watch body good. Nice, you know. Okay, we are gonna show now. No. Wait a minute. Let me go in the sunlight because you know the sun is my best friend. The sun is melanin's best friend. Yeah. You don't know. Wow. Wow, girl. I love that. Dawn Creative is a local entrepreneur that uses string, board, nails, and paint to create artwork, whichever picture, whichever shape, whichever size, whichever color. This woman can make it. As you can see on my gift, the details are on point, and trust and believe when I say I didn't expect this gift at all, people. I never expected it but God gave it to me. Her handle is on Instagram at Dawn Creatives. You can check out her Instagram page whenever you have time. As you can see, she also creates logos. You name it, anything you want, she can create it. And she has different sizes, different prices, so it all depends on your pocket, you know what I mean? I love that for me. This is a must-have, and trust and believe this will be going in my dream house. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. I am going to enjoy myself at the beach now and vibe and just build up back my energy and everything. Yeah, stay tuned for plenty more videos. And again, for those of you who are small entrepreneurs and want marketing services, contact Body Good, contact me. What are you waiting for? Don't you want to increase your sales? Contact me. Contact. So anyways, don't forget to love yourself, be yourself, and accept yourself. Bye.